Upholstery Cleaner, part of the Power Out range from Turtle Wax. It deep cleans, deodorizes and protects upholstery from coffee, juice, grease, food, oil, mud and dirt. Step 1. General cleaning. Vacuum any loose dirt. Shake the can well and spray evenly onto upholstery. Rub the foam into upholstery fibres using the integral scrub brush. Step 2. The integral scrub brush can reach into cracks and crevices for deep cleaning. Wipe the treated area with a clean cloth to finish. Step 3. Tough stains and spot removal. Allow up to a minute for the foam to dwell on stained areas before scrubbing. Repeat application is needed to resolve setting stains.